You have nothing to Yorkshire Terrier dog's right way to wear mask shirt worry about. Growing up, our Yorkshire Terrier dog's right way to wear mask shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women, sweatshirt, hoodie. Just to add to the chorus, we had a Yorkshire Terrier dog's right way to wear mask shirt rescue dachshund. So his personality was pretty set before we got him, who was a complete asshole to everybody. We were careful at first when my daughter was born, but he was always protective of her and at her side constantly. I have some great pictures of him watching over her as she slept. Will never forget taking my baby home from the hospital and my dachshund nuzzling her foot and laying her head on the baby's legs when she was still in her car seat. Standard dachshunds are much more robust and much less prone to anxiety than mini weenies. My standard weenie would let little kid play with her all day. In fact, she loved kids so much that other products